Everybody, daily recap, February 4th, 2022. Let's take a look at what we had on, what's been live. If you guys don't already know, I do post all the trades and what we did in regards to ideas on Twitter for Fridays. And we had a couple 1,000% trades today. We had coin, and we also did have snow go up 1,000% as well. I'm going to show you both trades in just a second on the review. And there's a couple names that didn't work at the bottom. Beyond, Airbnb, Pins, Facebook, Nvidia. Let's quickly go over the stuff that didn't work. There's a lot that did. I mean, of course, you can see there's like, I don't know, over 20 trades, probably 30 trades that worked well. 5 of them didn't. Let's take a look at the ones that didn't real quick. So we tried to do some beyond 60 calls. Those ones just didn't end up getting to that point by the end of the day. So unfortunately, didn't work out for us on that. We tried some Airbnb 160s. These ones didn't end up getting that oomph that I was looking for at the end of the day either. Didn't have enough room. Probably should have just went closer to the money. They would have worked if I did that. Pins, we tried to do some puts out the gate. I figured with the lowering guidance it would sell off, but it actually held up well with the entire market. Facebook tried to do some puts as well. This just started to bounce off that 230 level. Then we ended up actually grabbing 240 calls and making about 280% on those to the upside within 4 or 5 minutes. So, we did make the money back and plus, another 180%, but that was, the put side didn't work in the, out the gate this morning. Then we did do Nvidia as well on the put side out the gate with Facebook, and that didn't work. So we did a SPY hedge as well on the put side, didn't work, but we did do SPY calls into close, which worked out nicely. We took the SPY 252s, and we got a nice little pop with those in the money. If you guys do follow me on Twitter, I guided the market the entire day, but basically what I was looking for this morning was, a pop on the market, and then basically a little bit of a pullback consolidation and continuation push to the upside today. And then I said, in the morning, I think we get to 452 plus on the SPY. And then before the end of the day, we sell off to 449. Why? Because that was the max pain on the SPY, aka where the most people are going to lose the most money on option expiration. And because the volatility was crazy this week, I figured they don't want to leave money on the table, so we're probably going to pull it into that level. I also did tweet that, and it did work out quite nicely. So it was a pretty good read on that. A couple other names that we did really well on. Coin, we took the 190 calls right out the gate. If you guys didn't realize, Bitcoin was reclaiming support, EMA support today out the gate this morning, had room towards 41,238, which is a head and shoulders level on the upside, and basically was playing coin in sympathy with that with 190 calls. I looked for 197 today, and guess what? It hit 197 on the penny, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, it was about almost a 2,000% trade. It was about 1,900% in the end. So that was pretty good on that one. And then we also did, like I said, that snow. We had the 275 calls, and this is just a name that tends to move. We had it twice. We took it this morning, 275s. We got a 400% on those, and then we took it again in the afternoon. And then we were pretty much trying to play it into the 286 level. Didn't quite get there, but it did work out nicely regardless. A couple other names that you can see that we did play. I'm not going to go over them just because I'm going to keep this short, but ABBV, Spot, Dash, Shop, Snow, Coin, blah, blah, blah. These all, Coin Roll, AMD, a couple 100% on those. But overall, really good Lotto Friday. Great one in the books. Week was awesome. Great volatility. We'll see what happens next week, guys. We did close below that 449 weekly support on the SPY, and that is a key level to reclaim. So we'll see what happens. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, you can go to SpartanTrading.com. Have a good weekend.